This evening we're going to be washing some grubby work clothes in the Hoover A3060. Let's see how it handles that. So, keep yourselves tuned in, watch in HD, because you are watching Florence Ballard A3060, the channel made in loving memory of the original Supreme Florence Ballard and Hoover's first 1100 RPM washing machine, the A3060 Electronic 1100. Okay, let's get loading the machine. I'll actually switch the light off for this at the moment, I think. I always love opening that door. Because if I switch the light on, I suppose you just can't really see much. I suppose we'll keep it on anyway. So, do my work uniform. I don't normally feature my work uniform in my videos. Polo shirt. I put my socks and underwear in that. This is the first time my work clothes has been through the A3060. I wear thermal leggings, well, long johns we call them, and thermal vests because it's freezing cold. Don't normally wear that. I wear a jumper. This is more than what was ever in there before. Then of course my trousers. I'll throw my absolutely grubby Thinsulate gloves in there. And of course, the fleece. I know for a fact I check that as well. I always check it before I come home. Okay. I want to see how it handles those. Now, today we are using, unfortunately, my least favourite detergent, Formil Colour 65 from Lidl, because this is known for really bad suds. It actually makes my clothes go hard, but I thought I'd save this for a video as well. A lot of people have been buying these, the new Lenor range. It's got a rose on top of it. This is Lenor Mystery, picked up from Tesco. It's about $3.50, I think. I can't remember how much it was. It was a pretty good price. So I've not used this. I said I was going to save it for an A3060 video. So yeah, let's get adding the detergent. You see the drawer compartments properly there. So use about that much of Formil. That's not even half a cup. So that shouldn't foam up really. In fact, no, to be honest, I won't even use that much, I don't think. No. Put a bit back. It's a bit too highly sudsy. And here's the Lenor. You might just poured it out. No, I like that cap though. I use full cap because of this load. Oh, that smells absolutely amazing. You can see it's the design of a rose. Name of my Superman pyjamas. For this load, we're going to use program D, 60 degrees fast Coloureds. That's what I normally wash my work uniform on. So remember, of course, push it in. Switch the light off for this. Yeah, you see better actually. You see the water coming in there. Loud solenoid bang there. I've only ever used this cycle for doing the maintenance washers. Then again, the A3060 the machine does fill with hot water, so. Funny thing is though, for a 60 wash, it fills mixed fill, unlike the Hotpoint, which did a straight hot fill. Operates very differently, but it's nice. It's nice to actually see the differences between them. Oh, and before anyone does ask, of course, no, there is going to be no wash races between any machine and the A3060 at the moment. As I said, I stopped doing wash races simply because the fact that I don't have room to plumb in another hot fill machine because there is no hot fill valve. You may hear a slight knock from the bearings a little bit. the bearings run loose on this machine. I've also put something underneath that foot. So obviously the machine's not going to be... These hoovers were never stable, but it's going to be a bit better than what it was. But I can already see the machine's rocking a little bit. It'll rock back and forth a little bit. I can actually see where it's not sitting level. It's actually doing good. It's not doing too harsh tumbles. It's one thing though, the wash action is a bit more delicate than the hot point was. But I can actually see where this machine's not level. You can see that as it goes up. So it is sitting a bit lopsided. I think I've got to try and raise the back wheels a little bit. I think that's what people normally put carpet under these machines. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I like the sound it makes. It clicks on. I'm trying to get a better. There we are. Into the machine. Oh god. You can see how grubby that water is. We also can see how bright the colours are on my uniform there as well. Never actually realised they were so bright. Guys, I did promise that I would do more videos. I will be doing a woolen cycle next. I haven't tried the wool cycle. I've got a nice big blanket to wash that I got from British Heart Foundation. So, and I've got to wash my Edinburgh Woolen Mill blanket as well. But I might soak that, to be honest. But no, this machine does pretty good. I know that's not helped anything with that. I don't know how it's sitting lopsided now. It's kind of annoyed me. Right? I think it's the back wheel that I need to figure out. It's not the front. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Switch the light off for this. Yeah, you see better actually. You see the water coming in there. Loud solenoid bang there. I've only ever used this cycle for doing the maintenance washers. Then again, the A3060 the machine does fill with hot water, so. Funny thing is though, for a 60 wash, it fills mixed fill, unlike the hot point, which did a straight hot fill. Operates very differently, but it's nice. It's nice to actually see the differences between them. Oh, and before anyone does ask, of course, no, there is going to be no wash races between any machine and the A3060 at the moment. As I said, I stopped doing wash races simply because the fact that I don't have room to plumb in another hot fill machine because there is no hot fill valve. You may hear a slight knock from the bearings a little bit. The bearings run loose on this machine. I've also put something underneath that foot. So obviously the machine's not going to be... These hoovers were never stable, but it's going to be a bit better than what it was. But I can already see the machine's rocking a little bit. It'll rock back and forth a little bit. I can actually see where it's not sitting level. It's actually doing good. It's not doing too harsh tumbles. It's one thing though, the wash action is a bit more delicate than the hot point was. But I can actually see where this machine's not level. You can see that as it goes up. So it is sitting a bit lopsided. I think I've got to try and raise the back wheels a little bit. I think that's what people normally put carpet under these machines. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I like the sound it makes, it clicks on. I'm trying to get a better, there we are, into the machine. Oh god. You can see how grubby that water is. You also can see how bright the colours are on my uniform there as well. Never actually realised they were so bright. Guys, I did promise that I would do more videos. I will be doing a woolen cycle next. I haven't tried the wool cycle. I've got a nice big blanket to wash that I got from British Heart Foundation. So, and I've got to wash my Edinburgh Woolen Mill blanket as well. But I might soak that, to be honest. But no, this machine does pretty good. I know that's not helped anything with that. I don't like how it's sitting lopsided now. That's kind of annoyed me, right? I think it's the back wheel that I need to figure out. It's not the front. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay, we're currently heating to 60 now. For a lower water level and whatnot, that's actually pretty good suds. Like, you know, low suds level there. There we are. The camera was sitting lopsided. You can see there. I block out the lens there to get a pretty good view. It's pretty good action though. Not too harsh or anything. Guys, we're on the dilution rinse. That's a good idea. Tell you what though, this dilution rinse will actually help with the suds really, with Formil. Oh, you can see the colour of the water now. That's my dinner ready. insane, that water level though, I love that. Oh, I thought it was going to drain there. I smell the ozone from the motor, I love that smell. One of the days when it would leak under there. Trying to get the colour of the water. Look. Now we're draining. Distribution drain after main wash. Oh my god, yeah. That's not. Hopefully I get a standpipe put in, I won't have that anymore, where it keeps draining through that side. You can see, lovely sound of the pump. Yeah, I like that, the little, see the bearing at the back. I love the idea of a washing machine doing a distribution drain. It's always pretty good. Out. Bird's eye chicken, yum. perfect for a Monday evening. First rinse with the tumbling. I love the fact it tumbles for the first rinse while it's filled to the first rinse. Funnily enough, doesn't do it for any other rinses though. A lot of people are saying that the mystery scent is their favourite. Oh, the water went down for a second there for some reason. That's 2 clicks. Oh, got that rinse out of the way. But that machine, I bet the A3060 would be, got all the electrons as well, and the logics. I bet they'd be illegal in California. It's a joke people have about, you know, California, how Oh, well, if I move to California then, I'll be in a lot of trouble. Delicate tumbles for the rinsers. 20th Century Fox theme in the background. Just intermediate spin. I will spin that to get a little bit unbalanced. Let's see how my little method has worked. Does it look balanced? I think it is, isn't it? Yeah, that seems alright. Oh, I don't know actually, it does look a little bit unbalanced. A bit of back and forth movement on that as well, from side to side. We'll see. Will we get a subslot though? It'd be very interesting to see if this machine does actually subslot. I want to see if... Oh, it actually has worked a little bit. It moves about, but that's fine. I like machines that move. Kind of Hoovers do. Alright, that's fine. Spin's been increasing a bit. No, that's actually... No, that's actually worked, that has, in a way. Yeah, you see. Motor bearings kind of a bit dry, I have to give them a bit of lubrication. For a load that's a bit unbalanced, it's actually quite stable, that is, really. Yeah, it sounds like the motor bearing is going to need oiling up. Love the sound of it spinning though. The Hoover machines are like bouncy castles anyway though, yeah. Second rinse. Here we are. Second rinse. I think the longer spin though actually helps with the rinsing. I've had issues with that, especially in the hot one. it is still quite sudsy. Second intermediate spin. Let's see what happens. That's sounding unbalanced. Actually, no, we're on it. That's smooth, I think, that one. Yeah, this looks a really pretty stable load, this does. Let's see. I love when this machine goes into spin, it's like a thrill. I'm glad to be able to be standing or sitting in front of this machine when it spins. Oh, friggin' hell, it says different, but look how it's not rocking. Alright, there it's unstable. Oh, bit of a sod top. Look at that, that's bloody stable. That's because my work fleece. Bloody hell, that's actually really stable. Yeah, there's like literally no movement at all. So that method has worked. Of course it'll always walk a bit, but that's not. That is the smoothest spin I've ever seen this machine do. Wow, I'm amazed it's not shaking. Wow, okay. Interesting. You can see that's just pretty smooth, that is. I do like how long she spends. 500 though. Final rinse. There goes the Lenor Mystery. Here we go. Got lovely conditioners in there. It smells nice when I can smell it's filled up. See, still some suds in there from that Formil though. Doing a pretty good job though. I do like how long the tumbles are, that's another good thing. Alright, it's the final spin then. Final spin. Remember, 500 RPM first, stopping the tumble, and then the final round up. That's going to defeat the whole purpose of balancing. Here comes the chug. Pretty smooth. Unbalanced. Getting on level again though. Oh, it jumped off the bit of fabric on. Oh, it has. Hang on. Got some time to do this before the machine spins. It jumps on my hand. Why? Hang on. It's gone under the machine. Okay, I would like to be able to receive the. I'd like to be able to pull it out by now. Oh, fuck. Who am I kidding? I ain't gonna get it out before the machine spins. Hang on, I might stop the machine. Bloody bit of fabric that I use has gone under the machine. Who am I kidding? I ain't going to get that on out of there before. I will. That's basically what I use, and the wheel sits on that. Got it. Christ. I was thinking something was wrong with the way that I was shaking there. Oh, God. That machine's heavy to lift. Oh, God. If you ever own a Hoover New Magic, beware when lifting. It's heavy. Alright. My favourite part. Well, not my favourite part. I can't get enough of that pump sound though. It's like a refrigerator compressor. I'm very worried about what the result of this is going to be. I don't know what I'm just thinking. No. It's my jumper in there that does it. I think that's what makes it heavy. In the summer though, I won't be wearing that as much. Well, probably might not be there for the summer though. I won't be there for the summer. Have we finally found balance? Well, we let it go. There go the motor bearings. Smooth though. But probably not until it gets to 800. Because the motor bearings are quite dry on this machine. Once I put some lubricant on, I'm going to have to get some grease for it. This is what I did when I first got it. Oh, I just realised it was a bit in between the cheese. Bloody annoys me, that sound does. Can't be helped though. Just because the motor bearing, once I mean WD-40 doesn't work because it dries up. vibration. He points out. Whoa! We are vibrating. Oh. Shut up already! It's hitting the drain hose with the needle. You'll be able to hear the spin dip a bit better now because it's not on balance like it was before. That's how it should be. I mean, yeah, a slight bit of vibration. Shout over it still. Oh, there's a lovely smell. The motor. The Hoover. A pretty smooth load that was. There we are. It gives it sort of an anti-tangle at the end. I may put it through the spin dryer. I can smell the ozone, like sort of like the ozone from the motor or something. It's just a really, really nice smell, not a nostalgic smell. I must have seen one of these when I was little because they seem very familiar to me. Although to be honest, I have been looking at pictures of them for like the past 12 years. I have been looking at pictures of them, so maybe they do look too familiar to me. Probably won't not get it though. But the later Logics, they just basically switch off after the spin. They don't do an anti-tangle. I think it's meant to be distribution or something actually, I don't know. There you are. But of course, you see, I have to wait 40 seconds. Let's have a look. I love how cold the water is in it. Wow, those smell amazing actually. Of course, these gloves, they're oh, the waterproof material inside's coming out a bit. They're ripped to hell today. Okay, that did really good. One thing I love though is I don't get leftover of conditioner or water in the drawer like my Hot Point did. Anyway. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that one. I think that actually turned out a bit better than the first wash. Now that the machine's settled in a bit. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. And I'm going to introduce some hairdryer videos now, and I might even do some Lost and Found from the Vaults one I've got to do. I'm going to change that a bit, made a new cover for it and everything. So, thank you very much for watching that. And don't forget, keep it supreme and go with the flow. And remember, Hoover, who better?